Hi everybody, this is Fari Survival. I've been thinking about this idea of creating a mask that's reusable, that's very easy to make, and also something that you can do with all the things that you may have in your house. So here I have a bandana. I think I can make a pretty good mask out of this because it's a 100% cotton material, so you should be able to wash it if it gets dirty, and you should either use a disposable mask or use a reusable mask, but you should wash it every day. So a cheap bandana like this should be able to serve that purpose. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a paper clip here, and I'm going to unravel it. I think I could use this as a wire to allow you to do the nose adjustment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of paper clip on the corner. I'll fold it like this, stitch it across, and then I'll fold everything over that way. And then my plan is to put any kind of string, whether you have paracord like this one. This is 550 paracord. You could use a shoestring, or you could just use any kind of a twine that you have in your house. And my goal is to leave one side open, for example right here, and then we should be able to insert a kitchen towel in the center, and then stitch this across, stitch this, stitch on the sides, but leave a hole here so that we can run this we'll be able to run the cordage through, and we'll be able to tie it off, and this should be able to make a mask. What I have here is just double-sided tape. It's just going to help me keep the fabric in place while I stitch it. It's double-sided tape, so I'm just going to put the wire in the center, fold it over, and now it should stick, and I'll be able to stitch that across and stitch the corners so that this wire stays in place. Okay, I'm back. Here with me is basically cling wrap from Glad, and this is a kitchen towel. I heard that if you use a kitchen towel and you folded it over a couple times, it would create a pretty effective barrier towards dust, maybe some microbes. Again, if you had a surgical mask, that would be what I would recommend that you use. But this is just in case you don't have a mask and you don't have like a N95 mask or even a dental mask, surgical mask. This is just an substitute. So this is a cling wrap. Why I'm using this is to create a waterproof barrier. So I'm going to put that away. So in case somebody sneezes right directly in your face, this will protect those water droplets from going right into your face.
I'll just tie a bow knot behind me. Make sure that this is above my ear.
So the paper clip is allowing me to have a good fit over my face. As you can see, I have a very good protection over my face. I know it's not as good as a N95 mask, but if you have nothing, you could use this as a mask to protect yourself. So let me show you how this looks this way and that way. If you don't feel like using a bandana, you could use any other material in your house. And thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.